Hello everyone! Today we're taking a look at 3 widgets that can help you build apps in Nowa. Welcome to our tutorial on the Webview, HTML and Markdown widgets. Let's get started. First, let's take a look at the Webview widget. Have you ever wanted to display a live website in your app? The Webview widgets lets you do that. These are some of the advantages of the Webview widget. First, integrated browsing. This means that the user will stay in your app while letting them access web content. Then, interactivity. The web pages can be interacted by the users just like in the browser. And then a seamless experience. Blend web and app content without having to switch platforms. Let's take a look on how to use it. Drag and drop the Webview widget in your screen. From the Details panel, add the URL of the website that you wish to display. In the screen, you can easily modify the size and the position. Take into consideration that the website that you want to display will be visible only once you play the app. Because of this widget limitation, if you're using Nowa on desktop version, the preview of the website will not be possible, but the widget is working. Now let's take a look at the HTML widget. For those times when you don't want an entire web page but just some style content, the HTML widget is perfect. These are some of its advantages. Flexible content. You can embed snippets of HTML directly in Nowa. Styling. You can use CSS to style your content to achieve precise designs. Embed multimedia. With this widget, you can embed other media like images. Let's take a look on how to use it. Drag and drop the HTML widget in your screen. Write or paste your HTML code in the widgets property in the Details panel. In the screen, you can easily modify the size and the position. Lastly, let's take a look at the Markdown widget. Markdown is a language used to format text, making it easier to write and read content for the web. Here are some of the advantages. Simplified styling. You don't need complex coding. Markdown simplifies the content styling. And consistency. You can achieve uniform text presentation. Let's have a look on how to use it. Drag and drop the Markdown widget in the screen of your app. Write or paste Markdown formatted text in the properties of the widget in the Details panel. In the screen, you can easily modify size and position. From the Details panel, you can also modify the style of your text, for example, adding colors and fonts. You can also make the text selectable or not. If it's selectable, the users in the app can select the text. We hope that these widgets will simplify the process of styling the content of your app. Thank you very much for watching this tutorial. See you at the next one.